Advantages of city life. City life has a lot of advantages that attract people from all over the world. Cities are full of opportunities, modern facilities, and vibrant lifestyles. They offer something for everyone, making them exciting places to live. The advantages of city life include better educational and job opportunities. Cities have good schools, colleges, and universities that provide quality education. There are also many companies and industries, offering a wide variety of jobs. This makes it easier for people to build a successful career. Another advantage of living in the city is the modern facility availability. Advanced health facilities, public transports, and shopping malls make life easier and comfortable in cities. All types of facilities are so easily accessible that one need not feel the shortage of anything in life. City life also has its cultural and social advantages. Theaters, museums, and art galleries are housed in cities. These provide entertainment and knowledge-building activities. There are also restaurants and parks where people can relax and enjoy their time with family and friends. However, city life can be challenging too. It is often noisy, crowded, and stressful. Traffic and pollution are common problems. Despite these challenges, many people prefer cities because of the opportunities and experiences they offer. The advantages of city life are better educational and employment opportunities, along with modern facilities. It also offers a plethora of entertainment and cultural opportunities that make life so much more enriching. While all is not well, quite often the plus points outweigh the negative aspects. City life thus is ideal for those who want to grow, learn, and enjoy a modern lifestyle. Essay on International Yoga Day. International Yoga Day is celebrated every year on June 21st. It is a day dedicated to raising awareness about yoga and its benefits for body and mind. Yoga, originally from India, is now widely practiced all over the world. This special day reminds people of the importance of a healthy lifestyle. It is not just a physical exercise, but is a harmonious way of achieving oneness with the body and mind. It helps to reduce stress and thus helps in the betterment of health. By regularly practicing yoga, flexibility increases, muscles are strengthened, and concentration enhances. Practicing yoga can be done by all people, regardless of age. The concept of International Yoga Day was proposed by India's Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, in the year 2014 at the United Nations. He proposed celebrating yoga to maintain peace and good health all over the world. The first International Day of Yoga was celebrated in 2015 and became a global event ever since. On this day, yoga sessions are organized in parks, schools, and workplaces. Many people join group yoga activities to celebrate its benefits. Governments, organizations, and yoga experts come together to spread awareness about this practice. It is a day to connect with oneself and others through the spirit of yoga. The International Day of Yoga reminds us of the significance of good physique and mental health. Yoga teaches us to live a balanced life, taking care of our health. Through yoga, peace is achieved, stress is reduced, and life is improved. Let us celebrate this day with great enthusiasm, and let yoga be our routine in order to bring a change for a better future. Essay on the role of agriculture. Agriculture is one of the major roles in human life. Agriculture provides food, raw materials, and a means of employment for millions. It is among the earliest practices that have been able to do the work of supporting society's foundation. The role of agriculture extends beyond farming as it steers economies, cultures, and the environment. The main purpose for agriculture is to feed human beings. Rice, wheat, vegetables, among others, are crop products intended to feed people, while livestock is used as a source of meat, milk, and eggs. There will be no way for all billions of people worldwide to get enough food if they do not have agriculture to depend on. Agriculture provides raw materials to industries: cotton for clothes, sugarcane for sugar, and rubber trees for tires and other accessories. These are essential materials that keep the wheels of manufacturing and trade running smoothly. Quite a number of industries rely on agriculture for survival and further growth. Moreover, it is a source of employment. Farmers, laborers, and workers in food processing and transport depend on it for their livelihood. Most people in rural areas depend on farming as the main occupation. This helps reduce poverty and supports economic development. In addition, agriculture has a cultural and environmental impact. Traditional farming is an important part of many cultures and festivals. Environmental protection, like water and soil conservation, is also another contribution of sustainable farming methods. Organic farming and crop rotation maintain the balance of nature. Agriculture is crucial for food security, industrial development, and employment. It propels economies, maintains cultures, and sustains the environment. Everyone relies on agriculture in one way or another, and its role in society cannot be underestimated. Encouraging sustainable farming practices will ensure a healthy future for generations to come. Life of soldiers. Soldiers are one of the most dedicated, disciplined, and sacrificing individuals. They serve their country to save their nation from harm. Life is not that easy, but their courage and dedication have made them role models for society. A day in the life of a soldier starts early with rigorous physical training. They have to be strong and fit for the challenges that lie ahead in their job. Soldiers are trained in the use of weapons, following commands, and teamwork. This enables them to be ready for any situation, whether it is combat, disaster relief, or peacekeeping missions. Being away from family is one of the toughest challenges in the life of a soldier. They usually stay in far-flung areas or dangerous zones, where they hardly get any communication with their family. Soldiers do not let this depress them, though, and always keep focusing on their duty. Soldiers face a lot of risks in their duties. During wars, they have to fight with full strength, knowing that they can lose their lives at any moment. Even during peacetime, soldiers work under tough conditions, such as extreme weather or long hours. They show courage and resilience in every situation. But the life of a soldier is not all hardships, it is also a life of honor and pride. The soldiers serve their nation loyally and lovingly. They inspire others in discipline and commitment. Many among them say that their job gives them a sense of purpose and fulfillment. The life of a soldier is both challenging and rewarding. Soldiers make great sacrifices to protect their country and its people. Their bravery and dedication deserve the utmost respect. We should always honor and support the soldiers who safeguard our freedom and peace. Types of sports. Essay. Sports have a great significance in the life of humans. It assembles people together, makes them healthy, and inculcates good values and skills. There are numerous forms of sports, and every form has its own benefit and challenge. They may be categorized into 3 sections: team sports, individual sports, and extreme sports. Team sports, such as football, basketball, and cricket, are played with groups working together. These sports teach teamwork, communication, and leadership. Players learn to trust one another and work towards a common goal. Team sports also build friendships and foster a sense of community. They are fun and encourage people to stay active. Individual sports are those that require personal skill and discipline, such as tennis, swimming, and gymnastics. Players in these sports depend on themselves for success. They are very good for building self-confidence and improving concentration. Many athletes in individual sports set goals for themselves and work toward those goals. This kind of sport teaches independence and resilience. Extreme sports, like rock climbing, skateboarding, and skydiving, are all kinds of adventurous activities with much risk. They are for people who love challenges and adventure. Extreme sports take a lot of courage and fast decision-making. These sports push man beyond his limit and make him feel the real kick. But in these games, safety measures become very crucial to avoid injury. With physical, mental, and emotional advantages, each kind of sport offers its benefits. Sporting activities improve fitness, dispel stress, and teach life-sustaining skills. People will enjoy different types of sports because of their own special personality and interests. In the end, sports are diverse and meaningful. Team sports develop cooperation, individual sports build personal growth, and extreme sports give adventure. Everyone can find a sport suitable for themselves and enjoy all the benefits of it. Doing sport is a great way to lead a happy and healthy life. Morning walk. A morning walk is a simple yet powerful way of beginning the day. This is a time of freshness in the air, a quiet world, and a live nature. A morning walk offers physical, mental, and emotional benefits, making it a great habit for all. An additional advantage of a morning walk involves its beneficial influence on one's health. It improves the function of blood circulation, develops the heart, and allows one to feel energized. This is light and easy exercise for individuals at any age. In those ways, people who wish to remain fit without heavy workout stress could find a morning walk helpful. A morning walk refreshes the mind, too. The serene surroundings and the beauty of nature drive away all stress and anxiety. Listening to the chirping of birds or watching the sunrise may lift one's mood and bring an inner peace. Many people find their best ideas or solutions to problems during a peaceful walk. Besides, a morning walk builds up discipline and focus. Waking up early in the morning and walking out gives a good head start to the day. Again, it encourages healthy routines like having a good breakfast and being active. These actions eventually bring a sense of achievement over time. Walking in the morning also offers a chance to connect with nature. Seeing green trees, colorful flowers, or a sparkling lake can make anyone feel happy and grateful. It reminds us of the simple joys of life that are often overlooked. In the end, a morning walk is refreshing and healthy to start the day with. It benefits both the body and mind, while also fostering a connection with nature. Making time for a morning walk is a small step that can lead to a healthier, happier, and more balanced life. Essay on the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that keeps the Earth warm enough to support life. It occurs when gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor trap heat from the sun in the Earth's atmosphere. This process is necessary for life, but when it becomes too strong, it leads to global warming and climate change. Part of the sun's energy reaches the Earth's surface and is then released as long-wave radiation or heat back into space, but is partially retained by these so-called greenhouse gases to maintain an average temperature comfortable enough to sustain life on Earth. However, all human activities, such as burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and other industrial processes, contribute to an enhancement in atmospheric concentration of GHGs. As a result, the Earth is getting warmer than it should. The serious outcomes of this situation are the melting of ice caps, rising sea levels, and extreme weather conditions. Most of the plants and animals cannot survive due to the changed environment. Humans also face problems like shortage of food and health issues due to heat waves and pollution. We must act to minimize the greenhouse effect. It will help if more trees are grown, renewable energy is utilized, and less waste is produced. We have to work in cooperation with our governments to find sustainable solutions that can save our planet. In the end, the greenhouse effect is a natural, yet crucial process. With human activities, it becomes dangerous. If we don't act fast, consequences for our planet and future generations will be grave. By making some minor changes in our lives and supporting green initiatives, we can